Hi, I am Terrisha Walcott-Pierre, a demonstrator at St. George's University and a beneficiary of several initiatives from the Global Water Partnership Caribbean. One of the initiatives was the 2023 Global Water Partnership Water Academy for Youth, where we were introduced to so many concepts under water resources management. The different modules included climate resilience, integrated water resources management, communication tools, project concept node development, scientific writing, and innovative systems thinking. As an MPH candidate for the Public Health Program at St. George's University, I was pleased to intern with GWP-C. I received first-hand experience in water quality testing for the rehabilitation of the Mount Granby Water Distribution Network project. The main skills developed were interpersonal, communication, and technical writing skills. I believe that GWP-C is an important and integral organization for our region. It produces a pool of trainees who are able to pour their knowledge into community development. This organization also encourages multi-stakeholder participation and community engagement.